Now, cold front technology is going to kind of combat some of the things that we've had complaints or suggestions about improving on the original 13-pin system. One of those is going to be this bumper plug. Now, in the past with a 13-pin system at the bumper, you actually had two connections. You had a 13-pin plug and you had a power ground cable. And in cold temperatures, you're out there trying to put those two plugs together. It can be a bad, customer experience. So what we've done with cold front technology is we have combined power ground cables and control wires into one single durable compact plug at the bumper. So here you incorporate power ground and control wires. It has an O-ring seal, which kind of keeps it weather tight. So we made some big improvements there. So one simple plug at the bumper, easy to connect the plow to the truck. Now also some benefits of the cold front technology is when you connect this plow to the truck, the plow lights will come on automatically. So no longer are you going to have to stick that little truck plow rocker switch onto the dash of your brand new truck or utilize one of the upfitter switches. When you connect here, the plow is telling the truck that it's connected, and it basically turns the plow lights on for you automatically. Now, another important feature about the cold front technology system is that we're utilizing what's called a common wiring harness in the truck. Now, what's important about the common wiring harness is when you're connecting a plow or a VBX Plus spreader, you're using that same common harness. So putting it into the truck one time gives you the ability to connect to either of those products. You can still install both systems in the truck. All right, there's room to do that. It gets a little busy up on the front bumper with all the plugs, but you can do that. But as we move forward, cold front technology is going to kind of be the direction we're going with this. And not only are we going with this with the product itself, but it's going to expand to future innovations.